I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on. Welcome. Please stick around to learn this ukulele version of I'll Be Home for Christmas. We're in standard tuning and the song is in the key of C. Let's start by reviewing the chords we're going to use. It's C, E minor, D, D minor, G, G7, A7. I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents beneath the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. Please have snow and mistletoe, presents beneath the tree. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. If only in my dreams. If only in my dreams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you keep this song in your bag of tricks. Please consider clicking the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any new musical content here on the channel. Until next time, happy strumming.